We create surveys for many reasons. A consultant might produce a survey to better understand teachers' PD needs for supporting struggling students. A principal might develop a survey to understand more about the mental health and well-being of her staff. In every case, we use surveys to hear the voice of the people we are serving and to understand the factors that impact them. Creating a survey is something that many people know how to do, but the challenge for some is to create an effective survey that provides accurate, useful, and timely information for making decisions with confidence. In this video, we'll take a look at 8 tips on how you can design a survey to get you the information that you need to make decisions with confidence. We're going to look at a few examples together. When you see this icon, pause the video and think about the examples presented. One, have a clear purpose. Why are you doing the survey? What information do you want to find out? Here's an example of a purpose for a survey. What changes might you make? Here is a revised purpose for the same survey. This purpose is more clear, which makes it easier to plan questions. Now think about your survey. What is its purpose? Two, keep the end in mind. Think first about the information you need before planning which questions to ask in order to get that information. Suppose we prepare a survey to measure the collective efficacy of a staff. We might start by researching the characteristics of collective efficacy in order to prepare appropriate questions to get the information we need. Research would provide different ideas about what to measure in the survey. By first being clear on the information that we need, we can plan appropriate questions and avoid asking off-topic ones. 3. Be transparent. Transparency is important to ensure that participants give reliable responses or complete the survey at all. Thinking about your own survey, how might you be transparent? One way to be transparent is to explain to participants any questions that might make them feel uncomfortable. Provide reasons why these questions are being asked. Another point to remember is to say whether or not the survey will be anonymous. This will affect whether or not people will share true answers. And finally, it's a good idea to let participants know whether or not the survey results will be confidential. You can share details about the transparency of the survey before asking participants to respond. 4. Make it as easy as possible to provide an answer. You can design closed-ended questions with a carefully designed menu of choices for responding, or open-ended questions to get more specific feedback. Another option is to use a scale, which gives you specific feedback on a topic while maintaining a quantitative, closed-ended response. 5. Use neutral and simple wording. Use simple, clear language so that participants understand what you're asking and your statements are interpreted in the same way by different people. Think about the wording of this question. What feedback might you give to improve how the question is worded? In this revised version of the question, the word always is removed and the wording is from the point of view of the respondent. 6. Avoid double-barreled questions. It's a good idea to check that each question is only asking participants to respond to one statement. For example, rather than asking 2 questions at once, separate the ideas into 2 prompts. 7. Put the questions in a logical order. Try to begin the survey with easy questions and leave more sensitive questions till closer to the end. Think about how you might order these questions in a survey. Which ones might you place near the beginning or near the end, and why? Here's one possible way to order the questions. Eight, test your survey before sending it out on a wider scale. What are some ways that you might test your survey? Ways to test the survey include getting feedback from colleagues, viewing the survey on different devices, and looking at the survey from the point of view of a participant. By testing out your survey in advance, you'll discover ways to improve the wording of your questions or answers and resolve any technical problems. A few final points about surveys. Remember to share the results with participants to let them know areas to celebrate, opportunities to improve, and of course, how you plan to act on the information that you've gathered. Thanks for watching. We're glad you joined us. Please be sure to check out the other videos in the series. See you soon.